Good afternoon to everyone. I am Gaurav Gupta. In this lecture, what we are going to take, we have to take each and every question of the exercise 2.5 class 9 from the NCERT mathematics. This exercise is very important and this is going to be more interesting because the whole questions based on the identities. So you already learned about the identities. How many identities we learned in the previous lecture? 10 identities. So you have to use all these identities here and to get the simplified solution. If you know or learn the identity, then it becomes easy. Otherwise it becomes very typical. So make a look. First, what's the first question is? Use suitable identity. It means we have to use the identity and find the product. It means x plus 4 is multiplied with x plus 10, but using identity, not directly you have to do multiply. So look at the identity. What's the identity is? Identity number 4. I am writing the identity. Identity 4 is what? X plus a into x plus b is equal to what? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. It's an identity. Now apply. Before to apply, we have to do comparison with the question. Please comparison. X is x. It means you have to write x as it is x. Now compare. A is equal to 4. So you have to write A as 4. Now compare x as it is x and B as a 10. So we get B is equal to 10. Now do apply. X plus 4, x plus 10 is equal to what? X square, and we know x is as it is, we have to take, plus a plus b. What is a? A is 4 and what is b? 10 into x, we have to write as it is. Now a is what? 4 and b is what? 10. So what's the answer is? X square plus 4 plus 10, 14x. Now 4 into 10, 40. This is the answer. So this question becomes very easy if you learn the identity. If you still not learn and study the identities, so please open your notebook and write all the identities before to watch the video at least 2 times. Then to try to solve each question. Then this becomes very easy. So please make a note. Now look at the second part. Again the identity is same. So I am writing again the identity is what? X plus a into x plus b, which is equal to what? X square plus a plus b into x plus a multiply b. Now compare it with what? Our question is x plus 8 into x minus 10. Now compare it. X is x, so we have to write x as it is x. Now to compare, a is 8. Now b is what? B is minus 10 because we have to take the sign of the term also. Now put it on the right hand side. What we get? X square, and we know x is, we have to write as it is x square plus a plus b. A is what? 8 and b is minus 10 into x as it is plus a is what? 8 and b is what? Minus 10. So we get the solution x square, 8 minus 10 minus 2, we get minus 2x. Now 8 into minus 10, we get minus 80. This is the answer. So please make a note. Now third part is what? 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. It means the identity is also same. Now to comparison x with this, it means x is here 3x. Now to compare a is 4. Now compare x is 3x and b is what? B is minus 5. Now put it here, x is 3x. So I have to write 3x square plus a is what? 4 and b is what? Minus 5 into x is what? X is 3x. So I have to write 3x plus a is what? 4 and b is what? Minus 5. Now it's very easy to solve. 3 square, 3 into 3 we get 9 into x square plus 4 minus 5 we get minus 1 into 3x plus 4 into minus 5 we get minus 20. So what's the answer? 9x square minus 1 into 3 minus 3x plus minus minus, this is 20. This is your final answer. So please make a note. Now look at the fourth part of the question number 1. Please read the part. What is y square? Y square. This is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. The sign is positive. This sign is negative. It means it match with the identity 3. Third one is what identity? A plus b. A minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Or you can say that x plus y into x minus y is equal to what? X square minus y square. So I am using identity 3. Identity 3. What is identity? X minus y and x plus y is equal to what? X square minus y square. It means if the terms are same but the sign are opposite and they are multiplied, then what will be the result? Both of square of both and take the sign of negative. So here what is? First term is what? X is what? Y square. And now y is what? 3 by 2. It means first term is y square and second term is what? 3 by 2. We have to do square and take a sign negative between them. So first term is what? Y square. We have to do square. Second term is what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square. And the sign between them is negative. So I am taking sign negative. So you know the multiplication of power into power will be multiplied. So we get 2 into 2, 4. Y raised to the power 4 minus, now this is square, 3 into 3 we get 9 and 2 into 2 we get 4. So what's the answer is y raised to the power 4 minus 9 by 4. This is the answer. It's very simple. Now look at this part. This is also same. 3, 3, 2x, 2x. One is positive and second one is negative. It means the identity is same. So what we have to do? I am going to apply x minus y into x plus y, which is equal to what? X square minus y square. Now what is x? X means your first term. First term is 3. So I am writing 3 square. Now what is second term? Second term is 2x. So I am writing 2x square. And the sign between them is negative. So 3 into 3 we get 9. Now 2x square means 2 square multiply with x square. So 2 into 2 we get 4. X into x we get x square. So what's the answer? 9 minus 4 x raised to the power 2. So it's very easy to please make a note. Now look at the question number 2. It has 3 parts. We have to do evaluate using identity not to directly multiplication method. This is first part, second part and third part. We already did such a question in the example in the first video. So how we can write? 100 can be written as 100 plus 3, and 107 can be written as 100 plus 7, and it makes the identity number 4. What is the identity? X plus a into x plus b, which is equal to what? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. It's very simple. Now what we have to do comparison. Now what is x? First term is x, so we get x is equal to 100. Now a is what? A is 3, so we get a is equal to 3. Now b is what? B is 7, so we write 7. So what's the answer is? 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7, which is equal to x square, and x is what? 100, so we get 100 square. Now plus a plus b, a is what? 3 plus 7 into x, and now x is what? 100 plus a into b, a is what? 3 and b is 7. Now solve. 100 square means 10,000, we get 4 zeros. 3 plus 7 is 10 into 100. Now 3 into 7, 21. So this becomes 10,000 plus 100 into 10, we get 1,000 plus 21. Now what's the answer is? 11,021. This is the answer. It's very simple. All the questions are similar, so try to do it yourself. I'm also doing here. Now our second part is what? 95 multiply 96. So 95 can be written as 100 minus 5, and 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Now it's very easy to do comparison with x is what? X is 100. Now a is what? A is minus 5. Now b is what? B is minus 4. Now put it all this value x. X is 100. So we have to do 100 square plus a plus b. A is what? Minus 5 plus b is what? Minus 4. So we get here minus 4 into x. X is what? 100 plus a is what? Minus 5 and b is what? Minus 4. Now we have to do solve. Please solve this. 100 square is 10,000 plus minus 5 and minus 4, we get minus 9 into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4, we get plus 20. Now what's the answer? It's 10,000. Do multiply. Minus 9 into 100, we get minus 900 plus 20. If you subtract this, what you will get? 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 9, 1 and 9. We get 9100 plus 20. So what's the answer is? 9120 is the answer. So please make a note. Now look at the next part. Third part is what? 104 and multiply 96. 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 and 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. It's very easy. Please read the identities and find out what's the identity we have to use. 100, 100. 4 minus 4, which means identity is same, number is same, but the difference is what? That minus. So what's the identity is what? 8x plus y, x minus y, which is equal to what? X square minus y square, because the terms are same. 100, 100, 4, 4. The difference is what? Negative. What's the identity? Identity number 3. X plus y into x minus y, which is what? Square of both, and the sign between them is negative. So what's the first term is 100. So square of 100 and square of 4, and the sign between them is negative. So what's the square of 100 is 10,000 and square of 4 is 16. Now do subtract. 10 minus 6 we get 4. 9 minus 1 we get 8. So 9, 9. This is the answer. So please make a note. Now look at the question number 3. We have to do factorize. Now look at the terms 1, 2, 3, and in terms of square. So what's identity? X plus y whole square, because all the terms has positive sign. What's identity is what? X plus y whole square is what? X square plus y square plus 2xy. You can change the order also. It means you can also write as x square, and this can be written as between them x square plus 2xy plus y square, because the equation in terms of this format, 2xy is written in between them x square and y square. So write the question. Question is what? 9x square plus 6 into xy plus y square, and we know this is what? This is equal to x plus y whole square. Now try to make it same format. This is whole square of x, but this is whole square of x, not the square of 9. So we have to change it whole square. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So this can be written as 3x whole square. Same, this is y, this is y. It is already in the format. Now what's the difference is what? X is here, x is here is replaced by 3x, and y is same. So you have to write y as it is y. Now apply the condition and check whether solving we get this term or not. If we get, so that means we are doing correct. Plus 2 into x. X is what? Our x is 3x. And what is y? Y is y. Now do solve. 2 into 3, 6. We get 6. X into y, x, y. It means we get the desired terms. So this terms looks like a x plus y whole square. The difference is what? X is replaced by 3x and y is replaced by y. So what's the answer is our? Our answer is what? This is what? This is equal to x plus y whole square. And we know x is our 3x and y is y. So our answer is what? 3x plus y whole square. And this can be written in terms of factors because it is carry power 2. So we can write it as 3x plus y into 3x plus y. This is the answer. So please make a note, and it's become quite easy. Again, learn the identity and remember this identity every time. Now the second part of the question number 3. In this again we have a square and we have a 3 terms, but the sign is negative, so it makes identity looks like a identity number 2, x minus y whole square. So what's the identity? X minus y whole square is what? X square plus y square minus 2 into x into y, or you can also write as 2xy between the terms, x square minus 2 into x into y plus y square. So this is what? This is equal to x minus y whole square, but we have this term. It means we have to find out this format. So this is our answer, x minus y whole square. Now compare with our question. Question is what? 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So how we can write? Because in this first term we have to write overall square. This is not the overall square. This is only the square of y, not the square of 4. So 4 can be written as in terms of square. 2 into 2 means 2 square. So this term becomes 2y whole square. 1 can also be written as 1 square. 1 into 1 we also get 1. So apply this identity whether you get this term or not. It's our step. So what's the identity is? Minus 2 into x. X is what? First term. First term is your what? 2y, because x is what? X represent our first term, and first term is here 2y. Now y is represented your second term, and second term I am considering as a 1. So 2 into x is what? 2y into y is 1. So what you get here? 2 into 2, 4y, and this is what? This is 4y. It means we get the desired identity according to our question. So what's the result is equal to? This is x, and x is what in this case? X is 2y minus y. Y is what? 1. So our answer is 2y minus whole square, and we have to write in terms of factor. So I can write it also 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. This is our desired answer. I hope you understand this concept very easily. Please make a note. Now third part of the question number 3. What is this? We have two terms, and both the terms are in terms of square. What's identity? Very important identity. Identity number 3. X minus y into x plus y, which is equal to x square minus y square. So what's the identity? X minus y into x plus y is equal to what? X square minus y square. Now this is in terms of right hand side, so you can interchange the left hand side and right hand side. It becomes looks like x square minus y square is equal to what? X minus y into x plus y, because the identity is same. In some question you have to give this form and you have to change it in this form, and in some question you have to given this form and you have to change this format. So in this question we have given in this format and we have to change in this form. This is the factor form. So that's why I change the order, left hand side and right hand side. Now do comparison. What's the question is our? X square minus y square divided by 100. Please make a note. In this x whole square, again x is whole square, y is whole square of the complete term, but in this it is only square of y but not the square of 100. So we have to write whole square of the complete term. So 100 can be written as 10 into 10, so 10 square. So it becomes what? Y by 10 ka whole square. So this becomes x square minus this becomes y square, and this is 10 square. So overall terms becomes y by 10 ka whole square. So please make a note, because you have to do complete whole square. So this is in terms of square, but this is not the form of whole square. So that's why I am write 100 as a 10 square. So it becomes y by 10 whole square. Now apply this. This is what? This is first term, this is second term. What's the answer? One time the sign is negative and one time the sign is positive. So what we have? We have to write the terms x, and this is y by 10. Again x, the term is y by 10. You have to write these terms. One time the sign is negative and second time the sign is positive. It's very simple. So this is what? This is the desired answer. So it's very simple. So please make a note. Now look at the question number 4, part 1. This is first, second, third whole square is what? It matches with the identity number 5. If you get terms 3 and it is a terms of whole square, then you have to do the apply the identity number 5. What's the identity is? What is our identity? X plus y plus z whole square of 3 terms. First and 2 identities are whole square of 2 terms, but this is identity for whole square of 3 terms, which is what? It's very simple. Square of first, square of 2, square of 3. It means x square plus y square plus z square plus what? 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. It's very simple. Now look at the question and do comparison. X is as it is x. Do comparison. Y. Y is what? Y is 2y. Now compare z. Z is what? Z is 4z in our question. So put x is equal to x, y is equal to 2y and z is equal to 4z in the identity. We get the solution as simple. So what's the identity is? So our answer is what? X plus 2y plus 4z whole square is what? X square. X is what? X. Plus y square. Y is what? 2y. Plus z is what? 4z. Plus 2 multiply x. X is as it is x. Y is what? 2y. Now plus 2 into y. Y is 2y. And z is what? 4z. Plus 2 into z. Z is what? 4z. Into x. X is what? X. So it becomes very simple. So do solve. X square is written as x square. 2y. 2 square 2 into 2 we get 4. Y into y we get y square. Same 4 into 4 16. Z into z z square. Now do multiply. 2 into 2 4. X into y xy. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 4 16. Y into z plus 2 into 4 8. Z into x zx. So this is our answer. As simple. Please make a note. Now look at the second part. It's same. First step is do comparison. First term with first term. So you get x is equal to x is equal to 2x. Now to compare, second term is what? Y is equal to y, but the sign is negative. Here the sign is positive, but here the sign is negative. So y is minus y. Z is what? Z is z. So it's very simple. Put it on the right hand side is what? 2x minus y plus z whole square is equal to what? X square. X is what? 2x plus y square. Y is what? Minus y plus z is what? Z plus 2 into x. X is what? 2x. Y is what? Minus y plus 2 into y. Y is minus y. Z is z plus 2 into z. Z is z and x is what? 2x. So it's become very easy. Now the step is what? We have to solve this. 2 into 2 we get 4. X into x, x square. Minus y into minus y we get plus y square. Z square. 2 into 2 4. X into minus y minus xy. So we get minus 4xy. 2 minus y into z minus yz. So we get minus yz. 2 into 2 4 x into z xz. So this is the final answer. Please make a note. Now do the third part, same as comparison. First term is what? X is equal to minus 2x. Y is what? Y is 3y. Comparison with z. Z is what? 2z. So it's very simple. Do same step. Minus 2 into x plus 3 into y plus 2 into z whole square is equal to x square. X is what? Minus 2x whole square plus y is what? 3y plus z is what? 2z whole square plus 2 into x is minus 2x. Y is what? 3y plus 2 into y is 3y and z is what? Z is 2z plus 2 into z. Z is 2z and x is what? Minus 2x. Now solve this. Minus 2 into minus 2 we get 4. X into x we get x square. 3 into 3 9. Y into y y square. 2 into 2 4. Z into z z square. 2 into 2 minus 4 into 3 minus 12. X into y xy plus 2 into 3 6. 6 into 2 12. Y into z yz. 2 into 2 4. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Z into x, or you can write x into z. So this is what? This is the final answer. Please make a note. Now look at the question same. It is also same format. What is first term? X is equal to 3a. What is y? Y is equal to minus 7b. And z is what? Z is equal to minus c. Now put and solve the equation. Very simple. 3a minus 7b minus c whole square is equal to what? X. X is what? 3a. Now y. Y is what? Minus 7b plus z is what? Minus c plus 2 into x. X is what? 3a. What is y? Y is minus 7b plus 2 into y. Y is minus 7b. Z is what? Minus c plus 2 into z. Z is minus c. X. X is what? 3a. Now please solve this. 3 into 3 we get 9. A into a square, plus minus 7 into minus 7, 49. B square, minus c we get plus c square. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into minus 7, minus 42. A into b, ab. 2 into minus 7, minus 14. Minus 14 and b into minus c, minus bc. So it becomes plus bc. 2 into 3, 6. A into minus c, minus ac. So it becomes minus 6 ac. This is the answer. So please make a note. Now look at the fifth part. Do same comparison. X is what? X is minus 2x. Y is what? 5y. And z is what? Minus 3z. It's very simple to put. What's the result? Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square is equal to what? X is minus 2x. Y is what? 5y. Plus z is what? Minus 3z. Plus 2 multiply x is minus 2x. Y is what? 5y. Plus 2 multiply y is 5y. Z is what? Minus 3z. Plus 2 into z is minus 3z. Into x is what? Minus 2x. Now it becomes very easy. Please make a note. Minus 2 into minus 2 we get 4. 4x square. 5 into 5 we get 25. Y into y square. Minus 3 into minus 3 we get plus 9x plus 9 z square. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 into 5 minus 20. 20 x into y. 2 into 5 10. 10 into minus 5 minus 15. Y into z yz. Plus 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12. Z into x, or you can write x into z. This is the final answer. Please make a note. Please make a note here. We did wrong something. 2 into 5 10. 10 into 3 30. So we get here not 15. We get minus 30. Please correct it. Now please look question number 6. Comparison with x. X is what? X is equal to 1 by 4a. Now do compare with y. Y is what? Minus 1 by 2b. Now compare z. Z is what? Z is 1. So apply this concept directly. It's very simple. 1 by 4 into a minus 1 by 2 into b plus 1. All square is what? X square. X is what? 1 by 4a whole square. Plus y is what? Minus 1 by 2b whole square. Plus z is what? 1 whole square. Plus 2 into x. X is what? 1 by 4 into a. Into y. Y is what? Minus 1 by 2 into b. Plus 2 into y. Y is what? Minus 1 by 2 into b. Into z. Z is 1. Plus 2 into z. Z is what? 1. And x is what? 1 by 4a. Now we have to do solve. Please solve it. 1a, 1 into 1, 1. A into a, we get a square. 4 into 4, we get 16. Plus minus 1 into minus 1, we get 1. So there is no need to write 1. B into b, we get b square. 2 into 2, we get 4. Plus 1 into 1, we get 1. Plus, so please make a look. 2 is cancelled out with 2. So what we get? 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into a into b, ab. 4 into 1, 4. Same here. 2 is cancelled out with 2. 2 is cancelled out with 2. Now 2 ones are 2. Solve this. 1 into minus 1, we get minus 1 into b. Now same here. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Now what we have? 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2a. Now you can remove 1. So our answer is, final answer is what? A square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus, because there is no need to write 1, ab by 4 minus b plus 1 by 2a. Please make a note. I am also check the answer. So we get the desired answer. So we did complete question number 1 to question number 4. I hope you enjoyed this video and do complete it, your notebook also. Then we will proceed to our next question, question number 5, and onwards we will do in our next video. If you really like my video and you connected with my channel, so please do subscribe, like and share it with your friends, so everyone gets the benefits of my channel. So we will meet very soon. Thank you once again to watch my video from start to end. We will meet very soon.